Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top 7 mods for Project Zomboid Build 42. First up, we have the horse mod. This is single player. This adds fully rideable horses with multiple speeds. They can jump fences, trample/kick zombies, and it includes saddles, saddlebags, and horse care mechanics. This completely changes single player gameplay. Number 2, Medieval Z. This adds medieval weapons, armor, shields, and clothing. It's craftable via magazines in vanilla crafting menu. It's stronger than vanilla armor with balanced tweaks recommended, and it's perfect for themed runs. Number 3, Gale Gunstore. This is for multiplayer and adds 320 plus firearms and 280 plus attachments. It's got custom weapon mod in UI with stat previews, and that includes suppressors, lasers, and mags. It's great for players who want deeper gunplay. Number 4, Throwing Weapons, single player. This adds throwable knives, spears, axes, and more. It adds a new throwing skill, new traits, and occupations. It's way stealthier than explosives, and its fun and unique combat style adds something to the game. Number 5 is Better Auto Mechanics, multiplayer. You can batch uninstall vehicle parts, and there's a smarter XP system, so there's no wasted actions. It also streamlines mechanic leveling grind, and it feels like a should-be vanilla improvement. Number 6, Realistic Dashboard, multiplayer. This replaces vehicle UI with interactive dashboard. You can control the radio, AC, windows, everything directly. It's visible to passengers too. Additionally, damage is reflected visually, so it'll add cracks, warning lights, etc. Number 7, Distinguished Bolt Cutters for multiplayer. This lets you cut fences, locks, and garage doors, and adds real utility to bolt cutters. It's got configurable settings as well, such as strength, time, string, etc. It's simple, but it's an extremely practical quality of life upgrade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.